Hello dear children, welcome to our channel Dinoworldtv. Today in our mud ground, many animals and sea animals and superheroes are stuck in the mud. We all have to take out of all these animals and superheroes one by one from the mud. If you clear the task and learn something about them, we will have it. The first sea animals is shark. It is first cleaned by taking it out of this mud. Sharks are impressive predators, known for their keen sense of smell, which helps them detect prey from long distance. Now you have the next animal is the lion, which is stuck in the mud. Let's watch it. Lions are social animals that live in groups called prides. They are skilled hunters and rely on teamwork to catch prey, with lioness doing most of the hunting. Now the next animal you have is the kangaroo. Let's clear it by taking out of this mud. Kangaroo are marsupials native to Australia. They are known for their powerful hands, leg, long tail for balance, and paunch in which they carry their young called joes. And the next farm animals you have is the duck. It is also taken out of the mud and washed. Ducks are waterfowl birds known for their distinctive quaking sounds. They have webbed feet for swimming and are commonly found near water bodies like ponds, lakes, and rivers. Now we have the next wild animals friends, tapir. Taking it out of the mud and cleaning it. Tapirs are large herbivorous mammals found in Central and South America as well as Southeast Asia. And the next animal you have is the friends dolphins. Let's watch it. Dolphins are highly intelligent marine mammals known for their playful behavior and social interaction. They are skilled swimmers capable of swimming at high speed. And the next animal you have is the hippo. Let's clean it out of the mud. Hippo are massive herbivorous mammals known for their large size, barrel-shaped body, and hug mouth filled with long, sharp teeth. Now you have the next insect, butterfly. Let's take this out of this mud and wash it. Butterflies are fascinating insects known for their vibrant color and delicate wings. Now you have the next superhero, Hulk. Let's take out this mud and wash it. The Hulk, also known as Bruce Banner, is a fictional superhero appearing in comic books published by Marvel Comics. Let's put it here. Now you have the next animal, cow, which is stuck in the mud. Let's take it out of this mud and clean it. Cow, known for their gentle nature and their importance in agriculture, and produce milk and multivitamins in milk. Now you have the next farm animals, goose, which is stuck in the mud. Let's take it out of this mud and wash it. Goose are fascinating birds known for their distinctive hawking sounds and impressive migratory patterns. Now we have the next wild animals, panda, which is stuck in the mud. Let's take out of this mud and wash it. Panda have unique diet, primarily consisting of bamboo, with about 90% of their diet being bamboo, shoots and leaves. Now the next animal you have is the friends is a goat, which is lying in the mud. Let's take out of this mud and wash it. Goats are excellent climbers and are known for their ability. They can climb steep and rocky terrain with easy. Now we have the next wild animals, tiger, to take out of this mud and wash it. Tiger have retractable claws that help them grip and climb, making them excellent hunters and agile climbers in their nature habitat. Now we have the next superhero, Thomas. Take it out of this mud and wash it. The Thomas, also known as Bruce Banner, is a fictional superhero appearance in comic book published by Marvel Comics. Now we have the next animal, the rhinoceros, which is stuck in the mud. Let's clean it. Rhino have thick protective skin that can be up to 2 inches thick, which help them withstand attack from predators and thorny vegetation in their habits. Now you have the next animal, the antelope, which is stuck in the mud. Let's clean it. Antelopes are incredibly fast runners, with some species reaching a speed of up to 60 miles per hour. Their agility and speed help them evade predators in the wild. Now the next animal you have is the horse, which is lying in the mud. Let's take out of this mud and wash it. Horses have excellent memory capability and can remember complex routes and locations even after years. Now we have the next animal, donkey. Let's clean it by taking out of this mud. Donkey have a strong sense of self-preservation and are known for being concerned and intelligent animals. Now the next animal we have is the zebra, which is stuck in the mud. Let's take out of this mud and clean it. Zebra use their stiffness as a form of camouflage to confuse predators and protect themselves in the wild. Now you have the next animal, elephant, which is lying in the mud. Let's take out of this mud and wash it. Elephants have a strong social structure and communicate with each other using various sounds, body language, and tactile cues such as touching and tongue gestures. Now you have the next animals, giraffe, which is stuck in the mud. Let's clean it. Giraffes are the tallest animals land on earth, with long neck that can reach up to 8 feet in the length. The last animals you have is the friends, the camel, which is lying in the mud. Let's take out of this mud and clean it. Camels have adapted to survive in harsh desert environment by having long eyelids and nostrils that can close to protect against sandstorms. Friends, we all have dreamed all the animals. Now we will meet the next video and we clean all the animals again. Bye.